द स्मार्ट स्कूल AWT कैंपस कोहाट रोड ने साइंस एंड आर्ट्स एग्जीबिशन का एहतमाम किया था, जिसके लिए हमारे नुमाइंदे ने स्पेशली अटक से विज़िट किया और आए आपको दिखाते हैं उनके मुतालिक डिटेल्स।
Assalamu alaikum. Here to represent the ancient Italy, we have constructed a model of ancient Roman architecture, which is known as Colosseum. It was an amphitheater where there were seats for the sitting of spectators, and people used to have sports and fights in the middle of this ground of this amphitheater, and people used to see it. Now, this Colosseum is about to be included in the wonders of the world because it is a very ancient building and it was built in 72 AD.
अच्छा, ये आपके साथ कुछ टीम ने तैयार किए, बच्चों ने मिलकर?
Yes, sir.
किस क्लास के बच्चों ने?
Class 8 boys ने class 8 boys have helped me to construct this model.
माशाल्लाह, बहुत अच्छा। आपको हम अप्रिशिएट करते हैं आपके काम पे, माशाल्लाह।
Thank you, sir.
My name is Mohammed Haris Ansar from grade 8 from AWT campus, Badabir, the smart school. Sir, we are representing the country Italy, and sir, this is an old amphitheater of Italy where different kings from different places came and brought their best warriors and fought with other warriors. And sir, this is common foods found in Italy. You can find the pizza and pasta in almost every restaurant of Italy. And I'm wearing 1800 century clothes, which were traditional back then. And sir, this is modern Italy. And Venus, its name is Venus City. Their public transport is a boat. They do not use any cars because it is a water-based country. Their houses are very colorful.
It is a minaret of Jam historical tower of Afghanistan. This minaret made from cardboard, glue, and spray paint. It is a very popular place in Afghanistan. Thank you.
कौन से मुल्क को आप रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं? कम मुल्क नहीं है तासु?
अफगानिस्तान, पाकिस्तान से है लेकिन अफगानिस्तान को प्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं।
پښتو کې وایي ښه، پښتو کې وایي ځکه چې افغانستان قومي ژبه پښتو او فارسي ده که نه، نو موږ به پښتو کې خبرې وکړو.
مونږ ته پاکستان خو پریزنټ کوو افغانستان.
افغانستان باره کې څه ووایه که نه، تاسو څه جوړ کړي دي افغانستان کې؟ څه کم ښارونه دي؟ ولې مشهور دی افغانستان؟
افغانستان دا مونږ ټاور جوړ کړي او فلیگ می جوړ کړي، پارک می جوړ کړي. present करो. Assalamu alaikum and Assalamu alaikum. My name is Miran from Gate Blue. It is a minaret of
Okay.